Hey guys, so welcome back. This is how to fix DJI RS2 error code 1009. So guys, this error code means a connection failure between the Raven Eye image transmission system and the gimbal. So power off the DJI RS2, the camera and Raven Eye and restart everything and just simply wait for 30 seconds and power everything back on, and this should fix the issue. Another one is ensure the HDMI and USB-C cables are securely connected and undamaged, and try unplugging and reinserting them firmly. Another option is just make sure you are running the latest firmware on all of your accessories, and this should fix the issue. And if it doesn't work, guys, you can just simply do a factory reset in the running app. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.